morning to all. Today we are learning about capitalization. This is the second part of your chapter, punctuation marks and use of capital letters. So when should we use a capital letter? First point is the first words of a sentence, they should always begin with capital letter. As you are seeing on in the example, writing is so time consuming. So writing the first letter W is written in capital letter. Second is the pronoun I is always written in capital, whether it is the starting of the sentence or it is coming in the middle of the sentence. Example, you can see, man, am I tired of seeing this mistake? Next comes, we use capital letters with proper nouns, names of specific people, places, organizations, and sometimes things also. Examples you can see, Garnet Valley School District, Thomas Jefferson, Federal Bureau of Investigation, and Indian Removal Act. So we use capital letters for proper nouns. Next comes family relationships when used as a proper name. Example, I went shopping for a birthday present for Aunt Sui. I went to tea with mother. So here we are using family relationships as proper nouns. Next is we use capital letters with names of God, specific deities, religious figures and holy books like the Bible, the Quran use God the Father. Now there is exception. Do not capitalize the non-specific use of God. When you are writing like in this way, like I worship one female god and one male god, so here you are not going to capitalize God as in capital letter. Now, titles preceding names, but not titles that follow names. Means preceding means make a start or begin. So, title beginning with names, but not titles that follow names. Examples you can see here, Dr. Akar, Principal Penning, and Miss Papa, Principal. Next comes directions. Directions that are names. For example, north, south, east, and west. When they are used as section of the country, they are written in capital. But when they are used as compass direction, they are written in west. So you must have seen at sometimes south, east, north, west, they are written in capital and somewhere in small. So whenever you are using as a section or as a part of the country, then you write it in capital. For example, if we say we live in North India, so North is the section of our country, so we will write North in capital. But if I am saying I want to travel west, so here I am telling the compass direction. So whenever you are using north, east, south, west as direction, you will write in small. But when you are using it as a section of the country, you will write in capital. Next, the days of the week, the months of the year, and holidays, but not the seasons usually used generally, like Flag Day, April, Tuesday, autumn. Now, what is the exception? Seasons are capitalized when used in a title. Example, you can see winter of 2015. Otherwise, we write seasons in small letters. Now, names of countries, nationalities, and specific languages. German, Germany, French, Cherokee, Native American. So all these are written in capital letters. Next, the first word in a sentence, that is a direct quote. Direct quote is what? The exact words which are spoken by the speaker. So here you can see first word is success, that is written in capital letter also and it is in quotation mark also. So these are the exact words spoken by William Churchill. Okay, so that's why we are writing success in capital. Next, the major words in the titles of the books, articles, and songs, but not short prepositions or the articles the, or an if they are not the first word of the title. Next is members of national, political, racial, social, civic, and athletic groups. They are also written in capital letters, like Republican Party, Seminole, Indians. Periods and events are always written in capital letters like Jackson era, Jefferson administration, Great Depression. But when we are mentioning about century, we always write century in small letter. Trademarks, you must have seen McDonald's, Windows used for computers, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, they are always written in capital letters. Now words and abbreviations of specific names like ASAP, it is as soon as possible. For Mr. we write MR, Indian Police Service IPS, Indian Administrative Service IAS. So these are written in uh, capital letters. Now, one more thing, whenever you are writing a poetry, the first word of every line of a poetry starts with capital letter. For example, work while you work, play while you play. So work and play both will come in capital letter. So that's all about capital letters and how you have to use them properly in a sentence.